Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Technical Jat No 1, and today we are going to talk about the HMD Arc. This phone is a great addition to budget-friendly smartphones, which is quite interesting in terms of its features and specifications. So without further delay, let's get started. If we talk about the body and design of the HMD Arc, this phone measures 166.4 millimeters in length, 76.9 millimeters in width, and 9 millimeters in thickness. Its weight is only 185.4 grams. This phone is IP54 dust and splash resistant. It comes in a single classic black color, which gives it a very stylish and professional look. Talking about the display, the HMD Arc offers a 6.52-inch IPS LCD display. This phone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is fast and reliable. Now let's talk about the performance. The HMD Arc comes with Android 14 Go edition. It is powered by the Unisoc SC9863A chipset, which is based on 28nm architecture. For the GPU, it is equipped with IMG83T2. The phone has 64 GB of internal storage and 4 GB of RAM. If you need more storage, you can use a microSD card, but its slot is shared with the SIM. If we talk about the camera, the HMD Arc has a single 13-megapixel rear camera. For selfies, there is a 5-megapixel front camera, which fulfills basic needs. For connectivity options, the phone features a USB Type-C port, which is a plus point in this range. A 3.5mm headphone jack is also available. However, the NFC feature is not included. Talking about the battery, the HMD Arc is equipped with a large 5000 mAh battery. It supports 10-watt wired charging. So friends, this was the detailed review of the HMD Arc. If you want a budget-friendly phone that provides decent performance and a good design, the HMD Arc could be a good option. Do share your opinions with us in the comments, and if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.